2013 PGA Show Demo Day here at Orange County National Golf Course, and we're going to talk Seymour putters. We're with Jim Grunberg. And Jim, first of all, thank you for taking time. Guys love the Seymour putter. Got a number of players out there, Zach being probably the feature putter on the PGA Tour. But give us a little bit of what's new with Seymour. You've got a lot of styles that have been historically very successful, but everybody wants to know what's new, what's innovative that you're coming out with.
Well, we love introducing new product, and most of our new product has been years in the making. And this year we have actually a handful of new products, but right now I want to focus on a new series called Precision Tour Milled, PTM, and I've got a Precision Tour Milled 1 and 3 that I want to show you. But this is essentially our challenge for the last few years has been our milled putters. 100% milled in the United States, beautiful, beautiful putters. But again, $350, it's a lot of money for a lot of people to spend. And so we wanted to come up with a way that if we were BMW, for example, and that were our 7 Series, we wanted to come up with a 3 Series version. And so we came up, I don't know if I can show this, but we came up with the PTM 1.
And we'll shoot these,
Perfect,
so we'll have still pictures over the course of the next couple of days.
So the bottom line is that we're still making this in the United States and milling it, but instead of starting with a solid block of stainless steel, we're actually casting a head in stainless steel that's a little bit oversized, okay, in one of our foundries in California. Then we're moving it to our milling house, and we're milling all the important parts. We're milling the face, we're milling the sole, we're milling the top line, we're milling in the borehole, in our precision alignment system. So essentially you end up with 95% of what's great about our milled putters, including the feel. These are going to retail for $175. Made in USA. We're very, very excited. It'll start with 2 models, the PTM 1 and the PTM 3, and then you'll see out on tour the 2, the 5, and as we move on. So very, very excited about this. We think this can really put Seymour much more into the mainstream focus this year, because people love our putters, but a lot of people, it's a real stretch to get a hold of a beautiful milled putter for $350.
Absolutely. I mean, they start going, they'll spend $350 on a driver because everybody likes, chicks dig the long ball, but if they really want to work on their scoring part of the game, it's 100 yards in and a lot of putting. So that's key to come into that price point and fit in there to where some of the other major OEMs move their knockoffs, if you want to call that, of a tour putter. Probably knockoff is the wrong word, but a scaled down version of it, and so it puts Seymour right in there competing with the big guys where you should be all along, because the quality's been there.
Yeah, and we really do pride ourselves in the fact that even all the big guys, really pretty much they import a limited limited options, because their product is imported and it's limited. We build our putters in the US. We can do anything in terms of customization, and so that's really what we've become known for, is if somebody wants to have a custom built putter, we can do it for them. So we truly can offer that tour experience, and now we can do it in a putter that really offers that pride of ownership of a milled US putter for under $200.
Super. Well, Jim, good luck with that. We look forward to seeing them out on tour and shooting some of the new line, as well as being able to check them out at retail, and our guys getting a chance to touch them and feel them and roll them and give a review for you.
No, that sounds great, and keep going to Golf WRX, because we got some other stuff that I haven't talked about that's the kind of stuff we like you guys to be able to show.
Okay, super, Jim. Thank you. Awesome. Have a good show. Take care.
Thanks, Greg.